All right, a quick chemistry lesson to let you know how oils work. Basically, the cells, the molecules of the essential oils are so itty bitty tiny that they can get into your system, into your cells, and they work on a cellular level. If you remember the words phenols, monoterpenes, and sesquiterpenes, then you know what I'm talking about. And I know those are really big words. Just remember PMS. Now the phenols will go into your cells and it will basically clean off your cells so that all the receptor sites on your cell are able to then communicate with all your other cells to ask for proper nutrients and whatnot. Because of viruses and bacteria, they get a little bit clogged up. So when they're cleansed out, then they can begin to operate a little bit more efficiently. Then the monoterpenes, which is a lot, which does the majority of the work, it gets into the cell and resets the DNA. This is an actual true statement. You can look up in PubMed to see that what I'm telling you is the actual truth. It will get in there, reset the DNA to the original way that God has created your DNA to work. Again, because of the different environment that we're in, toxins, sometimes it gets off kilter. But the monoterpenes will get in there, reset it, and then your cell's going to begin to function the way it was initially intended. Now the sesquiterpene will also be in there. Its presence will bring in an extra layer of oxygen within the cell, and it'll also begin to reprogram your cell. So now your cell is working not only the way it was intended, but a lot healthier. So when you multiply this for every single cell in your body, suddenly your body will begin to function a lot more efficiently and a lot more the way God originally intended it. And then people are like, oh my gosh, it's a miracle. I no longer have this problem or this problem. I can sleep better. My skin is healthier. I can digest my food. And all these number of things that are happening when it's really just we are cleansing, resetting, and reprogramming your cells to work the way it's supposed to be. So it's really not a miracle if you think about it. It's the way God intended your body to work using nature and the plants which He created for our use in the Garden of Eden. So it's really a science thing. And if you are a spiritual being, it just makes you be a little bit more excited. At least for me, I feel closer to God knowing the science behind it and the spirituality behind it. It makes me just so in awe that God would create something so awesome.